United Committee Manipur UCM President YK Dhiren has appealed to the indigenous population of Manipur to remain prepared against any attempts to disrupt the state's integrity. Speaking at Remembering October Mass Rally on the theme to let Manipur live and grow together, held at Loktak Hall, Manipur Press Club, Dhiren emphasized that UCM, along with the people, has been actively working to preserve Manipur's territorial and national integrity since 2001. He noted that Manipur is home to 34 communities living harmoniously under the idea of Manipur, which stands as a united front against divisive forces. He argued that after Manipur's merger with India, divide and rule approach has been used, establishing communities along ethnic lines and threatening Manipur's unity. He expressed concern over the entry of foreign illegal immigrants, claiming that they contribute to India's proxy war, which has compelled the people of Manipur to continue defending the state. The attendees observed a 1-minute silence to honor those who had sacrificed their lives for Manipur's integrity.
Idea Manipur gi miyang makhada apunba Manipur da kundamine re bakang kuntra ga mari sipune gi minaramani ai ri basing asi Bharat ta hek pun kra matung da gi di Bharat ki divide and rule policy gi matung ina ngasi di koi tongan ba ethnic line da base tor kan da kang masa sing si da ethnic insert to hol kan da koi group semkal hal kan da koi Manipur gi unity amsung Manipur gi territorial integrity si tugaina ba ngasi fawo leptana honor kuduna ngasidi hominari ba leminari ba singa sa muthanna bu honaba sigi mayok te koi punna lemina ba gi tangai fadabu dulai aduna lan si ai koi matam chana ai koi miyam koi ba apun ba hona adu loine nai koi Manipur gi damukta ai koi UCM na thengna na ba gi damukta sem saduna lai